So I already sent out the weekly swing signals for Telegram here. Let's get into it. When we talk about Forex. US dollar has dropped massively this past week, especially on Friday, back down to 100. So the next move is 99. That's will be the next move here. I kind of want to see what's going on the monthly chart here. Dang, that's a big drop on the monthly. So big drop on the monthly chart here. Let's see what's up. Indices are trying to make a crazy move up here again. I'm just looking at their monthly chart. Gold and silver are trying to stack a newer high. USD pairs are dropping back. Yep. Euro is breaking out the resistance. Euro bridge is probably gonna break the support here. The pound, they come back up. Australia and New Zealand they're up, but they're still in the same range. It's a big move there on the monthly chart. Just want to see what's going on. So we are selling the US dollar. The next move would be to break 100 back down to 99. That's all I'd be looking at. Dollar pretty much a kind of easing. Okay, cool. No brainer. All right. We're buying all the indices. Buying US 30 for the price of 41. I would hit the wood first, 41.4, and then 41,500 from there. And yeah, I think that's as high as I'm gonna go. Like I said, they've been on a really high streak already. So just be careful when the retracements hit. S&P 500 looking for this pair to break 5,700, and then that's probably as high as I'm going to go on this price, because this price has been shooting up a lot. Just be prepared for any kind of retracements coming in for this week here. Nasdaq is losing steam here, so this pair might end up dropping itself back down more than the other two indices. So pay close attention to that. VIX has dropped a lot, massive down from weeks here. All right, so buying gold and silver. So looking for gold to make a move back to 25.50, and then we'll see if it comes back to test a higher price of 2,600. And then for silver, looking for silver to hit 30, buying silver. And then let's see if it goes above to 30, 80, 30, 50 around here, somewhere around here, 30 to 60. So selling UJ, keep selling UJ, looking for it to come back down, touch the wick of 141. That's what I'd be looking at. UCAD has dropped massively, looking for this pair to drop even further back down to 134. And we'll see if it breaks 134 back down to 133. U-Swiss, looking for this pair to drop back down and break 84. And then the next one will be break it down to 83. And then Euro to test the price on the weekly resistance of 112. We will see how it remains, if it sustains its price above here. And then selling Euro British pound back down to 80. Well, hold on. Yeah, it's right at 84.5. Selling back down to 84. Once it breaks 84, the next move will be break down to 83. And then the pound has broken up. The next move would be 133 back to 134. So it's already broken above this line of the weekly resistance here, you guys. You can't see here on the weekly. What's going to be tricky for Australia and New Zealand, they have been hitting the same price. So if it does not sustain above 68, I'm going to sell it back down. Same thing for New Zealand. If it does not sustain above 63, I'm going to sell it back down. There's just so much consolidation and zone structure on this price here. Maybe a chance to see these two pairs. Massive gains, but also still in the same structure. Other than that, let's see what else is going on. Collins got a big holiday tomorrow. It's pretty much the day for them. Let's see what that. NFT won't be till next Friday, which would be September 6th. Also, for this upcoming weekend is Labor Day weekend, so be mindful that the markets are probably end up closing early on Friday, and Monday we can't even trade, so probably be a 4-day weekend here for you guys, which I highly recommend just to spend time with family and friends. Other than that, it's pretty much all I got for you guys. If there's any questions regarding the analysis or signals, let me know. All right, Net, peace out. All right, guys, we're gonna get into it. It's Sunday. Let's get into it. Talk about crypto. All right, so I switched up. We for this morning we're gonna be selling cryptocurrency instead of buying it. Starting to slowly trickle back down here. Looking for Bitcoin to come back down to 64,000 and then break that down at 63,000. Might end up just seeing a lot of consolidation and low volume for this week. I know we are coming into the last week of August, but I just don't see any high liquidity for trading for cryptocurrency. So, but everything switched back to selling. Selling Ethereum to come back down to 2,700, and then the next move would be 2,600, and then selling Litecoin to hit back down to 62 and 60. Selling Shiba back down. Yeah, selling Shiba back down to the 14 mark, and then the next one would be the 13 mark here. Dogecoin, we're selling Dogecoin back down to 10 cents in value, and then we'll see if it breaks back down to 9 cents. Selling Ripple back down to 59 cents, and then the big move would be to break 55 cents in value. Neo, looking to sell Neo back down to $10 and then break down to the $9 here, right at 9.95 here. That's what I'll be looking at. Selling Dash back down to 26 and then break 26 back down to 25. That's what I have it set here. And Solana, looking for Solana to come back down to 150, and then the second target would be 140. Zcash is dropping down pretty nicely here. Really bearish. Probably the biggest one that's dropped the most so far over the weekend since today. And then looking for it to drop back down to 35. It's sitting at 40. Next target would be 35, and then the main target would be to come back down and break 30. And then lastly is Tezos, or if you guys call it Tezos. Looking for this coin to come back down to 72 cents and break down to 70 cents in value. And that's all I got. So they're all red. Everything is red except for Bitcoin. But if you see on the watch list or trading, everything is completely red, which is all here, which is the change in percentage in the gains or losses. So it's really crucial to pay attention to that. See how much has gained and lost. So I got for you guys. Other than that, any questions, let me know in the Telegram chat group. And that's pretty much all I have for you guys. Peace out.